My name's Chris Whiffen from Hing City, Florida. At 37, I developed a chest cough. So I went to the local ER and they started doing testing on me and found out that I had an ejection fraction of 8 to 10, and they were saying that was I had a bad heart.
He was referred to me by one of the community physicians who introduced me to Chris as somebody that was very young, had a very severe cardiomyopathy, had a lot of heart failure exacerbations, and was really struggling.
That changed a lot because I had a baby that was 4 months old, and I didn't know what I was going to do, and it broke me up.
An LVAD stands for Left Ventricular Assist Device, and what it is a pump that actually takes over the pumping of the left ventricle or the left main pumping chamber. So when patients have end-stage heart failure, meaning their pumps are so weak they get short of breath just walking to the bathroom, and their quality of life is really severely limited, and the quantity of their life, therefore, will also be severely limited, this machine gives patients a second chance at life.
So he's quite functional, he's quite active right now, and I think that's excellent for him. He's currently waiting on a heart transplant, and he tells me that he thinks it's going to be this year. It's his 5th year. He just feels that it's going to be his year this year.
The LVAD has brought, it's a different life, but it has brought a lot of life to me. If I didn't have the LVAD, if I was still alive, I probably would be sitting in a bed somewhere. I wouldn't be taking my daughter to her first day of school. I wouldn't have been able to teach my oldest daughter to drive. But I am so blessed to have Tampa General's VAD team. They told me it was going to be like family, but I did not believe it was going to be the way it is. And it's not just a statement that they say or a slogan. If you call them, they're gonna call you, and they know who you are. I hadn't seen my little girl between the 2 hospitals. I hadn't seen her in probably a month. I talked to her on the phone and done video, and I kind of got down, and one of the VAD coordinators, she come in, she asked me how I was doing that day, and I told her I missed my daughter. And so she told me, she said, well, she can't come up here. And she walked out, and she got to thinking, I guess, as she come back in, she said, but I can take you to her. It's people like that care, that make a difference. And there's so many nurses and doctors and stuff here at TGH has made such a tremendous difference.